It's me, Stan again. Yes, the snowman. And don't you remind me of that alien. I'm just waiting for whatever else I'll encounter today. Okay, what's that? What's going on? Where's that voice? Why did you say, oh? What are you? What's your name? Uh-huh, I see. Are you lost? You know, you shouldn't be jumping on people like that. What are you doing? What was that for? Hey, why'd you take my arm? I was still using that one too. Hey, God, get off me! Hey, you took my nose! No! Ugh, stupid beaver. Can someone please rebuild me? And kill that beaver too.